So today's episode, today's video is going to be a part 2 of the house call selling sessions I did, maybe about 4 or 5 videos. I will leave, if you haven't seen it, I will leave the link down below, the first link in the description. So make sure you guys go check that out. Watch part 1 and then come back to this video because this is the part 2, the continuation. Now a lot of people were saying, by the way, Captain's eating right now, so just, if you hear someone chomping, this guy's just chomping away. Dad has to make a video, and you just want... You want to do Captain ASMR? You want to give us some ASMR? So, yeah, ignore him if you hear him chomping away. But yeah, a lot of people were like, yo, I wish I would've, the video would've continued. I wanted to see what he bought, the dealing, just etc. like that. And to be honest, I thought that the GoPro died. But what happened was when the GoPro records a super long video, it splits it into 2. So I didn't realize that the ending of the video was in a separate video. So again, this is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure you guys go check it out. I do also want to show you guys, I thrifted this 1981 army jacket the other day, and I actually painted it. If you guys have been watching me for a while, I used to paint clothes just for fun, but I'm getting back into it, and I just finished this one. Super happy with it. I'll show you guys the back. I also did do this high vis one. Has a little there, and then on the back. Not sure if they're going to be for sale yet. Might keep them. They're kind of just for fun. This one's really nice. I probably will sell this one just because this one's a little too small for me. It fits about a medium. But yeah, if you're interested, just send me an Instagram DM at DITR954. This one's crazy. I love this one. So, without further ado, I hope you guys do enjoy part 2. Again, part 1 link down below. Follow me on Instagram at DITR954. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it, guys.
The Gunshine State ones?
Do
You have an XL?
They're all XLs actually, because they're all personal. I'd probably get rid of one. Probably this newer one, just because it's the fade on the other ones are so nice. Actually, maybe I'd get rid of this one. But yeah, so I'm just trimming down my closet. Instead of having like just basic stuff, I'm gonna have you know, top end pieces.
Makes a better impression when you pull up the places too.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the dog's name?
Captain.
Cap. Capitan. That's a lot of shit back here.
Yeah, I have a lot of shit.
I think I'm gonna see what you want to do for.
I'd probably let this one go. Price wise, realistically, I want to say 60, but I'd probably let it go for like 45.
All right, cool.
Just throwing it out there if you wanted that one.
Let's do it.
You want it?
Yeah.
All right.
So.
The fade on it's nice. It's a XL too.
All right, perfect.
Tagged XL.
All right. So this Cops T.
Yeah.
This anything like this too. Anything
Okay.
offshore.
Okay.
Keep me in mind because I love all this shit too.
Okay, cool. And then here, you had stuff here. Let's just bring it to the living room if you want.
Cool.
That way we'll put everything good. Cap, you need a refill, dude?
You're not big on hats and stuff?
Nah, and the reason is shipping is just a pain in the ass.
The boxes and shit.
Yeah. And my my thrift stores don't really get too money.
I got you.
Okay. So we're on those shirts.
So you said 80 and then 40, so we're at 120 here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
All right. So if we were to add in this.
And you can throw numbers like what you're comfortable.
Yeah. So the thing with sweaters, they're hit or miss because obviously it's Florida.
Yeah.
It's Miami, it's hot. And I love this, but the Dolphins are garbage right now, so this might sit. So that's what sucks about Miami.
No,
like when they're doing fucking great, flies. When everyone's mad at them, that shit just sits.
Yeah,
but,
of course.
I can always hold on to it till next year.
Yeah.
So like that's the whole shit with that.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to go piece by piece or you just want to go everything lot together.
Bro, if we can do. This is cool. It's fucking huge too.
Yeah.
That's
I
convenient.
fucking thrifted these couches at Salvation Army, $400 for the pair. I found them brand new, $2,500.
Perfect South Beach vibe too.
Bro, I was looking for white couches. I wanted originally with an L, but it kind of worked out because of the plant and shit. It gives a good vibe.
Oh,
let me ask you, have you seen this shirt before?
never.
Okay.
You can't find it. You can't look at it in the.
I have like I don't know. I feel like I overvalue it, and some people were like, "Oh, yo, you should list that shit high," and then like some people are like, "Oh no, it's not worth much." So
you have eBay?
Nah, I'm banned on that shit. So that's why.
No shit, yeah. I you put it on auction. And
I listed a bootleg Chanel jacket, and they took it down. And I thought they took it down for like a random reason, so I threw it back up. And then the second time, they just completely banned it.
Jesus.
Yeah, they went hard. You want a bottle of water or anything?
I'm good, bro. I appreciate it.
All right.
But I'm probably keeping it 1,000 with you. Chances are I'm flipping these and then keeping this little pile right here.
No, yeah, you don't have to, you know.
How would you feel? We're at 120 there. Would you do 200 all in?
So what, you're saying an extra 80 for all this?
Yeah.
I don't think I could go that low.
So tell me.
I was at like an extra 140.
Would be 260.
Yeah. Take off 10, we can do 250.
Meet me in the middle, 225.
That's fine.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
we cool.
I can sell you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Appreciate it, bro.
Let me get you another bag.
Nah, don't even worry about it.
You good?
I'll stack it up.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I got so much shit. I just gotta fucking move it.
I'm on the same shit, and I have a website and everything. I had over 200 pieces listed. It's just selling online is a fucking mission. People want to try shit on.
Yeah.
People want to, like, they ask you a million questions. Like, you're selling something for $10 and they want to know 14,000 questions. And the one $600 piece, they just buy it.
Yeah.
So it's like...
That's why I really want to I want to get my, bulk sales down. So that way weekly I could just...
Yeah,
if I can, list like, the higher end pieces, like, some like these.
What number do I sell it to? So that's your cell number?
Yeah.
Cool to lock it in and then...
Yeah, of course. Yeah, and I'll save yours too.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, offshore, I'll send you a text message with like what I'm looking for.
Okay.
But basically guns, like anything like Florida gangster shit like that,
Yeah.
Miami-Dade County SWAT team, gang unit, Madonna strip club. You're born and raised down here?
No, but I know like
How long have you been down here, Miami or South Florida?
since I was 5, so
Oh, okay. How
yeah,
old are
so
you now?
basically 27.
Okay, so yeah, you're from here.
Yeah, in the sense.
But Broward.
Yeah.
Okay, so anything OG Tootsies, OG Scarlet.
No, I know what to look out for now, and I'll definitely just
offshore Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, but like the OG 80s, like the race ones, like that's
usually the stuff that I've gotten that before, they just sell
got it.
so quick. Yeah, I just got it.
Cool.
Yeah, I got it already.
And then let me go ahead and lock you in.
Yeah, like I got some 70s Ferrari, but like those
like
things
that kind of
fly.
shit.
So yeah, usually I collect gun stuff. So all like I usually don't even sell that stuff. Like I said, I'm sitting on 3 of them, and I'm just
Yeah, you might as well make the money.
yeah, I'm just trying to get rid of it. I'm actually going tomorrow to Daily to pick up another pair of fucking Yeezy slides.
Oh no shit.
The brown colorway.
It's what's the Instagram? D what?
DITR 954.
DITR.
Yeah.
What does that for again?
Diamond in the rough.
Diamond in the rough. I was like down in the, and I couldn't remember.
Yeah, diamond in the rough.
Yeah, I'll text you with like my wish list, and like as you find stuff, like I said before you even pay for it, just send me a photo and I'll tell you. I'm really good. I'm really good through text.
Okay.
You know, if I'm not on a job or anything, and I'll hit you back with like, yo, 1000%. You know.
Okay, cool.
And then that way you already like.